Welcome to Drawlipper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to find a screenshot in your Android phone. So at first, if I take a screenshot, now if you want to find this taken screenshot, just open up your gallery app. Now from here tap on albums and then look for screenshot albums. Here it is, then tap on screenshot. Now from here you can find your all the screenshot. Here you can see the screenshot that you have taken. If you want to delete a screenshot, just tap on this delete icon, then tap on move to recycle bin, and it's deleted successfully. Also, if you go to home screen and then take a screenshot again, now if you swipe from top to bottom, you can also find your taken screenshot from here. Then select gallery, then tap on always, and here it is. And that is how you can find a screenshot in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.